Morning comes slow, I'm still here, watching the horizon shift. Something's calling, feel it building up in my chest. Energy rising, can't sit still. Take me higher, above the noise. I'm climbing up to find my voice. Higher ground, higher ground. That's where I'm bound. Started from the bottom floor, now I see the view. Every step I take it, let me hear to you. This feeling in my soul won't let me stay the same. I'm reaching for tomorrow, breaking every chain. Feel it building up in my chest. Energy rising, can't sit still. Take me higher, above the noise. I'm climbing up to find my voice. Higher ground, higher ground. That's where I'm bound.
Used to be afraid of change, but now I'm chasing it. Every mountain that I climbed just made me stronger, kid. Started out with nothing but a beat inside my head. Now I'm writing my own story, every word I said. People try to hold me down, but gravity ain't real when you got the fire burning everything you feel. So I'm pushing through the static, finding clearer sound, building bridges with my music till I reach that higher ground. Never looking back again, the past is in the dust. For emotion is the only thing that I can trust. Synthesizers in my bloodstream, pumping out the beat. This electronic symphony is
weightless now, I'm floating up beyond the clouds. Can't get enough of this feeling. This is healing, rising